Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel Gyan Manjari Modern School Shio. Students, in last lecture we have done revision, we have done few numericals. Today we will do the same. We will solve the numericals of chapter number 8. Students, in last lecture we have done numerical number 1, example number 1 of chapter number 8. So today we will also do few of the numericals of chapter number 8. Okay, few random numericals we will do. Each and every numerical we will not do. Randomly we will do the numericals. So 8.1 we have done. Okay, example 8.1 we have done in last lecture. And in last lecture we have also studied about the speed. What is speed? Okay, what is average? What is speed? Speed means distance upon time. Total distance. What was the speed? Speed equal to total distance. Average speed is a total distance traveled. Total distance traveled upon total time taken. Okay students, so speed equal to distance upon time taken, distance travelled upon time taken, and average speed means total distance and total time. And you also know speed is written by the symbol V. V equal to, and distance is written by the symbol S, upon time is written by the symbol T. So V equal to S upon T. V equal to S upon T. These are the symbols. V means speed, S means distance, and T means time. So this was about the speed. Now example number 8.2, page number 102. Open, have a textbook with you and notebook with you. With me you have to write down. You have to calculate the numerical with me. Here I am calculating the numerical with me only. You will calculate the numerical. Textbook and notebook should be with you. Okay, page number 102. Open it. Okay, page number 102, example number 8.2. The odometer of a car reaches 2000 km at the start of the trip. Clear? So for example, one family is going for a picnic. So they are going for the picnic via car. They are taking via car they are going to some place for the picnic, for example. Now when they started their trip means they are going to the picnic. At that time when they observe the odometer, you know, in car, in your vehicle, Activa, everything, there is one meter you can see there, and in that meter speed is written. You can also observe, and that speed is given in kilometer per hour. If you might have observed. Clear? In vehicle or car, in automobiles, there is one meter ahead. You can see that meter gives us the speed of the vehicle. What is the speed? And that speed is given in kilometer per hour. If you will observe the odometer, you will be clearly able to find that it is in kilometer per hour. Okay, so that was about the odometer. So what is the question here? There is a one car. In car, suppose some of the people are going for a trip. At the starting of the trip, when they observe the odometer, at that time the reading was, initial reading was नाउ व्हेन दे आर ऑब्जर्विंग द ओडोमीटर, स्टार्टिंग में जब वो ओडोमीटर में देख रहे हैं तब उनको जो डिस्टेंस दिखाई दे रहा है, कितना दिखाई दे रहा है, 2000 किलोमीटर ओडोमीटर के अंदर। और जब वो ट्रिप जहां उनको पहुंचना है वहां पहुंच जा रहे हैं तब उनको जो डिस्टेंस दिखाई दे रहा है ओडोमीटर के अंदर वो कितना है, 2400 किलोमीटर। सी वंस अगेन आई एम रीडिंग फॉर यू, पे अटेंशन। द ओडोमीटर ऑफ कार रीड्स 2000 किलोमीटर एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द ट्रिप, स्टार्ट ऑफ द ट्रिप। अभी जब ट्रिप में गए नहीं है तब हम ओडोमीटर में देख रहे हैं तो हमें कितनी रीडिंग दिख रही है, डिस्टेंस कितना दिख रहा है, 2000 किलोमीटर। और जब वो लोग ट्रिप पे पहुंच जा रहे हैं एट द एंड ऑफ द ट्रिप कितना दिख रहा है, 2400 किलोमीटर। सो इनिशियल मीन्स स्टार्टिंग में कितना डिस्टेंस है, हाउ मच डिस्टेंस, इनिशियल मीन्स स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। In the starting, odometer shows 2000 kilometer, and in final, odometer is showing 2400 kilometer. Okay, 2400 kilometer. Let us move further. If the trip took 8 hours, time is given. पूरे ट्रिप में कितना टाइम लग रहा है, टाइम बता दिया गया है, टाइम t इक्वल टू 8 आवर, 8 घंटे लग रहे हैं ट्रिप पे, ठीक है, ट्रिप पे पहुंचने पे, जहां पहुंचना है वहां। कैलकुलेट द एवरेज स्पीड, व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड, कैलकुलेट द एवरेज स्पीड, हमें एवरेज स्पीड फाइंड करनी, ठीक है। सम ऑफ द पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर द ट्रिप। At the starting of the trip, they are observing the odometer, and at that time odometer shows the distance 2000 kilometer. Afterwards, when they reach the trip, they reach their destination. At that time, the odometer shows 2400 kilometer, and in whole trip, time taken was 8 hours. ना ओके 8 घंटे लग रहे हैं पूरे ट्रिप में, और हमें क्या फाइंड करना है, एवरेज स्पीड। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नोट डाउन दिस, okay students, so let us find, you know the formula of average speed. What is the formula of average speed? Okay, I am writing here, average speed equal to total distance, means S upon total time taken. In short, I am writing, you have to write whole, average speed equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. ओके ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, डिस्टेंस कितना लग रहा है स्टूडेंट्स, ये 2 डिस्टेंस आर गिवन। इनिशियली 2000 किलोमीटर लग रहा है और फाइनल जब पहुंच रहे हैं तब 2400 किलोमीटर। सो व्हाट यू विल डू, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड अ डिस्टेंस, यू विल डू फाइनल डिस्टेंस माइनस इनिशियल डिस्टेंस। ओके, फाइनल कितना है 2400 माइनस इनिशियल कितना है 2000, सो इक्वल टू 2400 माइनस 2000 इज 400. So this way you have to find the distance. Initially it was showing 2000 and finally it was showing 2400. So if you want the distance, what you will do, final distance minus initial distance. Means 2400 minus 2000, that is 400. Now substitute the value here. So total distance is 400 kilometer, and total time is how much? Time is given 8 hours. Okay, total time 8 hours. So here I will write 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are 40, 8 zeros are 0. So answer is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, so we got answer in kilometer per hour, 50 kilometer per hour. Note it down. And we also want answer in meter per second. First note it down, then we are converting into meter per second. Okay students, we got answer in kilometer hour. Now we want the answer in meter per second. So what you will do? See, we got the answer in 50 kilometer per hour. Clear? But we want answer in meter per second. So what you will do? See, 50 kilometer per hour. So in 1 kilometer, how much meter? 1000 meter. So what we will do? 50 into 1000. In 1 hour, how many seconds are there? 3600 seconds are there. So instead of hour, I will write down 3600. Okay. If we want to convert kilometer into meter, then multiply by 100. And if you want to convert hour into second, then multiply by 3600. Once again I am repeating, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. So I have to convert hour into second, that's why I multiplied with 3600. And 1 kilometer equal to 1000 hour. Sorry, 1000 meter. So if I want to convert kilometer into meter, I have multiplied by 1000. किलोमीटर को मीटर में करना है तो 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई, आर को सेकंड में करना है तो 3600 से मल्टीप्लाई. क्लियर? नाउ कैंसलेशन 0 0 0 0 कट. Now 2 stable, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10. Now here 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 15. Okay, now 25 5s are divide by 9. Calculate it. What is the answer? Okay, what will be the answer? 25 5s are 5 5s are here. You can this way also you can calculate. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 125. 25 5s are 125. Divide by 9. Okay, now divide it by 9. I am dividing here. 9 ones are 9. 12 minus 9 3. 5. 9 3s are 27. Now 5 में से 7 नहीं जाएगा तो 2 here, 5 here, and here will be 8. Clear? 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 will be 8. That's why here 8. Point 0. 9 8s are 72. So okay, so it will goes on. It will continue. So our answer is 13.8. So final answer is 13.8 meter per second. Okay, only one thing you have to remember. If you want to convert kilometer into meter, multiply by 1000, and if you want to convert hour into second, then multiply by 3600. Students, hurry up, note it down. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to you. Moving further. Now, students, just now we will do example 8.4, page number 103, example number 8.4. Now, students, this numerical is related to acceleration. So, first of all, you should know what is acceleration, what is the formula. So, formula is already given, but I am writing here, note it down first of all, what is acceleration. Acceleration equal to change in velocity upon time taken. Change in velocity upon time taken is known as acceleration. Now, what are the symbol for the acceleration? Acceleration is written with the symbol A. Now, change in velocity is written as final velocity minus initial velocity. Students, final velocity is written with V and initial velocity is written with U. I am not writing whole you write it down whole thing, okay. Now, students, change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. You can write here also. Final velocity, change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. Okay, so final velocity is written by V and initial velocity is written by U, means V minus U. Okay, so now let us write the symbol. Acceleration is written with the symbol A. Now, change in velocity means V minus U. V means final velocity and U means initial velocity. Upon time is written by T. So, A equal to V minus U upon T is the formula for finding acceleration. If you don't know this formula, you are not able to calculate the numericals. Okay, hurry up, note it down. A equal to V minus U upon T. Okay, students, now SI unit. How will you find SI unit of acceleration? how will you find the SI unit of the acceleration? So if you know the formula, from the formula you are able to find the SI unit. How? Let us see. Now students, here V minus U is written. What is V minus U? V minus U is one type of a velocity only, no? V is a final velocity, U is the initial. So it is a velocity. So first of all, you should know the SI unit of velocity. What is the SI unit of velocity? SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Okay, meter per second is the SI unit of velocity. So here instead of V minus U means velocity, I will write down meter per second. Okay, for velocity, velocity is having SI unit meter per second. So I have written here meter per second. Now below it is given time T. What is the SI unit of time? Yes, the SI unit of time is second. So here I will write down multiplied by second. Once again, here it is a velocity. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second. So I have written meter per second. Okay, now below is time. Time, SI unit of time is second. So I multiply by S means second. So equal to M means meter upon S into S square. So meter per second square. Meter per second square is the SI unit of acceleration. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Clear? So if you know the formula, then easily you are able to find the SI unit by yourself only from the formula. Okay, I hope it is clear to you and you have noted down also. Okay, now let us do the example 8.4. Okay, students, 8.4, pay attention. Starting from a stationary position. Okay, stationary position means velocity is 0 initially. Okay, starting from a stationary means stable, nothing is moving. So at that time velocity will be 0 only, no? Because nothing is moving means the velocity is 0. Okay, starting from a stationary position, Rahul pedals his bicycle to attain a velocity of 6 meters per second. Starting velocity is 0 meters per second. At that time, Rahul is standing with the bicycle and his position is stationary, means velocity is 0. After some time it starts cycling. So at that time its velocity is given 6 meters per second. So final velocity is 6 meters per second. And time is also given 30 seconds. ठीक है, फिर से मैं समझा रही हूँ आपको। राहुल अपनी साइकिल के साथ खड़ा है, स्टेशनरी खड़ा है। तो स्टेशनरी खड़ा है मतलब बाइसिकल मूव नहीं हो रही है, तो उसकी बाइसिकल की वेलोसिटी कितनी होगी? 0 ही होगी ना, मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है तो। ओके, बाइसिकल इज नॉट मूविंग मीन्स इट्स वेलोसिटी इज 0। थोड़ी देर के बाद बाइसिकल स्टार्ट हो रही है चलाना, राहुल इज स्टार्टिंग साइकिलिंग। ओके, साइकिल चला रहा है, तो तब साइकिल चलाते वक्त उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी कितनी है? 6 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, जब चला रहा है तब की वेलोसिटी दी है, तो वो फाइनल वेलोसिटी हुई। और टाइम कितना लग रहा है उसमें? स्टेशनरी से साइकिल चलाते हुए जो टाइम लग रहा है वो 30 सेकेंड है, इतना आपको दिया हुआ है। ओके, Initially it was stationary, means velocity is 0, and he start cycling the bicycle, and at that time the velocity is 6 meter per second, means it is a final velocity v. Initial velocity is indicated by u, final velocity is indicated by v, और टाइम कितना लग रहा है 30 सेकेंड. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज अ केस 1. So just now find out the acceleration first of all for case 1. So a equal to, now we have to find the acceleration. So acceleration equal to v minus u upon t. A equal to v minus u upon t. So v is how much? Final velocity. V means final velocity is 6 minus initial velocity is 0 upon time is 30. 6 minus 0 is 6. 30 as it is. 6 ones are 6. 6 5s are 30 equal to 1 upon 5. Okay, now you can convert it into decimal. So 5 1. 1 is divided by 5. So in 5's table 1 will not come. So what I will do? 0 point. Here 0. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10 0. So answer is 0.2 meter per second square. Why I have written meter per second square? Because it is acceleration. So for case 1 we got acceleration a equal to 0.2 meter per second square. Clear? दिस इज अ केस 1. स्टार्टिंग में साइकिल नहीं चल रही है, जीरो वेलोसिटी. साइकिल चलने के बाद उसकी वेलोसिटी 6 मीटर पर सेकंड है. इट इज अ फाइनल वेलोसिटी. टाइम कितना लग रहा है? 30 सेकंड. व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड? यू हैव टू फाइंड एक्सेलरेशन. सो एक्सेलरेशन इक्वल टू फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम. फाइनल इज 6, इनिशियल इज 0. 6 minus 0 upon time is 30. 6 1s are 6 5s are equal to 1 upon 5 divided by 5. Divide 1 5 0.5 2s are 10. So 0.2 meter per second square. Note it down first of all, then we are doing next. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now moving to the case 2. Now read here. Okay, 30 सेकंड तक हमने खत्म किया. फिर रीड करना है यहाँ से पेज नंबर 103 पे. Then he applies brake. साइकिल चल रही है, उसके बाद ही इज अप्लाइंग द ब्रेक. तो फिर से वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? कितनी हो जाएगी? 0 हो जाएगी ना. एंड दिस टाइम दिस वेलोसिटी इज फाइनल और ये वाली वेलोसिटी इनिशियल हो जाएगी. देखो स्टार्टिंग में कितना था वेलोसिटी? स्टार्टिंग में वेलोसिटी इट वाज 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड बिकॉज बाइसिकल वाज नॉट मूविंग. आफ्टरवर्ड्स बाइसिकल स्टार्टेड मूविंग. ओके, सो इट वाज द फाइनल वेलोसिटी. फॉर केस 1 इट वाज फाइनल वेलोसिटी मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी वाज गिवन 6 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है, साइकिल चल रही है, उसके बाद जो है ब्रेक अप्लाई हो रहा है. ब्रेक अप्लाई होगा तो साइकिल स्टॉप हो जाएगी. तो स्टॉप हो जाएगी तो कितना होगा? 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो केस 1 के लिए हमने ये 2 काउंट किए थे. ये स्टार्टिंग था और ये फाइनल था केस 1 में. अभी केस 2 में लास्ट में ये आ रहा है तो ये फाइनल होगा और उसके ऊपर जो है ये जो फाइनल लिखा है वो इनिशियल हो जाएगा. इनिशियल कैसे होगा, आप आधे ऐसे पूछोगे मैम ऐसे कैसे, क्योंकि जब ब्रेक मार रहा है मतलब वो फाइनल होगा। व्हेन ही इज अप्लाइंग ब्रेक इट इज अ फाइनल मीन्स 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड। ब्रेक अप्लाई होगा तो बाइसिकल रुक जाएगी तो वो फाइनल वेलोसिटी होगी 0 मीटर पर सेकेंड। और उससे पहले कि बाइसिकल क्या कर रही थी, बाइसिकल वॉज मूविंग, तो तब कितनी वेलोसिटी थी 6 मीटर पर सेकेंड। तो उससे हम इनिशियल काउंट कर रहे हैं इधर, ओके, यहाँ पे हम उसे इनिशियल काउंट कर रहे हैं। आया समझ में? तो ये होगा केस 2। केस 2 में क्या हो रहा है, बाइसिकल चल रही है तो 6 मीटर पर सेकंड, उसे इनिशियल ले लिया गया, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी यू से लिखते हैं। और बाइसिकल को ब्रेक लगाया जा रहा है, ब्रेक लगाओगे तो स्टॉप हो जाएगी बाइसिकल, मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 मीटर पर सेकंड। Okay, so it is given to us now. Calculate acceleration. So time is given to you. Yes, time is also given to you. Sorry, I have mistaken here. After applying the brake, they have given the velocity. That velocity is 4 meter per second. Okay, usually what happens after the complete brake, applying of brake, 0 meter per second will be there. But they have given here, I have not seen that. Sorry for that. तो 4 मीटर पर सेकंड दे दिया गया। ब्रेक अप्लाई करने के बाद बाइसिकल का वेलोसिटी कितना है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड, दैट इज गिवन टू यू। ओके, बाय मिस्टेक, सॉरी फॉर दैट। ओके, सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट ए इक्वल टू वी माइनस यू अपॉन टी। ओके, सो वी मीन्स फाइनल वेलोसिटी, हाउ मच दे हैव गिवन, फाइनल वेलोसिटी 4 they have given, so 4 minus initial velocity means u, how much, 6 meter per second, upon time they have given, let us see, yes, time they have given 5 seconds, so upon 5, 4 minus 6 is minus 2 upon 5, okay, divide it, divide 2 by 5, so in 5 table 2 will not come, so I will put here point and here 0, 5 4s are 20. So answer is minus 0.4 meter per second square. This is for case 2. Okay, case 2 answer. Okay, once again I am repeating. Initially, bicycle was at rest. It was stationary. So at that time velocity will be 0 meter per second. After that, bicycle started moving. So at that time velocity will be, they have given 6 meter per second. When the bicycle was moving, at that time they have given the brake. Okay, ब्रेक के बाद कितनी वेलोसिटी हो गई 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड उन्होंने दे दी है, अगर नहीं दिया होता तो आप 0 लेते। आई हैव मिस्टेकन, आई हैव नॉट सीन दैट। ओके, तो ब्रेक डालने के बाद कितना वेलोसिटी दिया गया है 4 मीटर पर सेकेंड। अभी केस 1 में आपने कौन सी 2 चीजें ली, केस 1 में ये 2 चीजें लेनी है, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड, एंड इन केस 2 you have to take these 2 things, okay, these 2 things. For case 1, this is initial 0 meter per second and this is final velocity for case 1. For case 2, this is a final velocity and this is initial velocity. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Note it down. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Okay, if we will get time, we will continue, we will revise. Best of luck for your exam, examination. Till then, bye.